Are you ready to learn gymnastics?
I'm Coach Brad.
I'm Coach Haley.
And I'm Coach Catherine.
And
this is Adventures in Gymnastics.
Coach Brad, guess what?
What?
I think I see the pillar pond right over there.
But wait, how are we gonna get across?
We could jump across.
Oh no, I'm kind of scared of heights.
That's okay. We can use our mission mats. It looks like each pillar has a different shape on it. So we better jump to the right shape so we don't fall in the water.
And remember, Coach Brad, after this we should be right in the middle of nowhere, so we should be able to find your lost robot.
Okay, let's do this.
I'll go first. Can you help me with the shapes? You will? Great! Let's go! Let's go ahead and charge your feet on the lightning bolt so we can get a big jump. Ready? We're gonna jump all the way to the hearts. 1, 2, 3. We made it. What's the next shape? Triangle? All right, let's go ahead. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. I think the next shape is a star, right? Oh, it's a circle, you're right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Okay, now what's the next shape? It's a square, you're right. Okay, let's jump all the way over. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're almost there. We have one more shape. What could it be? It's a star. Let's do the biggest jump to the star. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, we made it. Yay. Great job, guys.
That was easy.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Wow. We made it.
Let's never do that again.
Thanks for all your help with the shapes. You were super helpful.
Want to learn more about gymnastics? Click the subscribe button to have access to all of our videos. And make sure to like us on Facebook.